Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You open Ludo and go straight to the main menu. Once there, tap the Friends or Social icon to begin. You need a signed-in account. Sign in now if you haven't, because the friend list syncs to your profile. Make sure permissions are allowed for contacts or the social login you prefer, since that reduces manual entry. Once done, you'll be ready to search or invite friends. This first step connects the app to people you already know. You'll now search for your friend using their username, phone number, or player ID. Type it into the search bar and press enter. If they appear, tap Add or Invite and choose in-app invite for instant notification, or SMS if they aren't on the platform yet. Once they accept, you appear on each other's lists. If they don't respond, follow up with a message. Make sure to check pending requests so no invitation slips through unnoticed. You're ready to start. Create a private game or tap a friend's profile and choose Play to invite them into a match. Once invited, wait briefly. If they don't appear, refresh the friends list and confirm their invite status. If problems persist, make sure the app has contact and network permissions and restart the app. That clears many syncing issues. One key troubleshooting tip: if invites fail, have both players toggle airplane mode on and off to reset the network quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.